welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing the Camille Rose Naturals new line, and it's the Her Essentials product line that I got in my CurlBox. And you guys would have seen the CurlBox unboxing already, so now this is the product review. If you guys are new to my channel, please thumbs up the video if you enjoy it, subscribe for more great content. My name is Ranzcreations and welcome. I truly appreciate you guys, and I would love to hear your comments in the comment section down below. So in the CurlBox came this letter from the CEO, and in it she says, "Courage, Grace, Beauty. These are just a few of her essentials that represent the divine feminine magic you'll experience after using this month's Camille Rose Natural products. These goodies contain a luxurious mixture of floral extracts and exotic butters tailored specifically for curly hair." Now within this box there came a Nourishing Co Wash, and on it says Courage. There's also the Curl Defining Smoothie, on it says Beauty. So you know, each product has on it something that, a word I guess to describe females, so or feminine beauty according to the pamphlet. So this one has on pure and so on and so forth. Now in this video I will be reviewing the Nourishing Cohosh, the Defining Curl Smoothie, and also the Absorbent Detangling Lotion. Now the reason that I didn't use the other two products in here was, firstly, this one, which is the Refreshing Moisture Mist. This throwaway in my box, so there's none in here to use. And the Restorative Deep Conditioner, I was co-washing, so I didn't want to use a deep conditioner this time. Alright, so let's get on to the product review. Now, Camille Rose Naturals is a great brand. I really like their products. So this is a brand new line, never heard of it before. Got it in my CurlBox, as I explained to you guys earlier. The first thing that I used was the Nourishing Cohosh, and all of these products smell the same. I can't quite put my finger on the scent. Oh my gosh, it just came to me. Do you guys know the cereal Trix Are for Kids? These products smell like Trix Are for Kids. All of them smell like that. Trix cereal. Yep, that's what they smell like. So starting off with the Nourishing Cohosh. Now this was an excellent product. It had great slip while I was putting it through my hair. It was melting my knots away. I was able to detangle with it. It says that you should leave it on for 35 minutes. That's what I did. On the package it says it has intense slippage. That's a really high thing to claim, and it really did have that. And it said it's crafted with natural detanglers such as slippery elm and so on, and marshmallow root and nettle leaves, and that's what it did. It really did detangle my hair, and I felt like my hair was co-washed. Now if you don't know what a co-wash is, it's a gentle cleanse that you do in between wash day, and I had colored my hair, so yeah, I'd colored my hair, so for it to take out most of the color, whatever remaining color that was in it was good, you know. So this was an excellent co-wash, great slip, great ingredients. Some of the ingredients are water, coconut oil, coconut milk, nettle leaf, rosemary, and so on. I would give this a definite 5 out of 5. The next thing that I used was the Absorbent Detangling Lotion, and this is the one that says pure, and it has in cetyl alcohol, castor oil, slippery elm bark, ingredients like that. And it says that this is supposed to, upon washing and cleaning the hair, which is what I did, use it as a leave-in conditioner, applying evenly from root to tip. Now this one I would give it a 3 out of 5 because it was very sticky, and I don't think that it was one of the best leave-in conditioners that I used. But it wasn't the best ingredient, but it wasn't bad. The best leave-in conditioner, but it wasn't bad. It just wasn't the consistency that I like to be able to glide through and move through my hair. It was very sticky. I don't really like sticky products, and I really had to be working it through because sometimes it would stick at a particular part and I had to really work it through. So I would give this a 3 out of 5. It's not my favorite product that I've tried so far. I think if you have looser hair, you'll be better able to detangle your hair using this, but I had already detangled my hair with the co-wash, so I really didn't have much knots to fight through while using this. So I use this as a leave-in conditioner, and then I followed it with the Defining Curl Smoothie. This is thicker than most of them, than the other two products that I used, and I really liked it. It glided through my hair. It had a lot of slip. There are great ingredients in here as well: olive oil, shea butter, there's coconut oil in here, among other things. And this says apply an ample amount using a wide tooth comb or fingers, leave on for 35 minutes. Okay, so this is a curl defining smoothie. What it says on the package is how to enjoy. Apply an ample amount to wet hair, then detangle with a wide tooth comb. Oh, okay. Whew. Okay, I don't know. I just had a moment. I thought that this was saying to rinse it out, so that's why I paused. Okay, so this says apply an ample amount to wet hair, then detangle using a wide tooth comb or fingers. Leave on for 35 minutes. Rinse with cool water, then towel dry. What? Okay, hold on. Why is this seeming like it's a rinse out product? Okay, so the curl defining smoothie and the co-wash have the same directions. They have the same directions. I don't understand. Let me check this one. And also it has the same directions as the deep conditioner. I think that this is a mistake, because a defining curl smoothie isn't something that you put in your hair and then you rinse out. This is a styling product. So I think that there's a mistake on the label. I mean, all of the jars look the same, so I could see how you could accidentally do that. So I use this as a leave-in product into my hair for my twist out today. I'm probably going to have to email them to just let them know, to just ask a few questions, but I used it as a leave-in curl product, and it doesn't really have, it doesn't say on this otherwise. Anyway, so that's what I used. It had great slip. I thoroughly enjoyed using it. The only thing is I had more frizz than I usually would, so I had to be very careful with how I was taking down my hair. So I would give this product a 4 out of 5. It has great ingredients as well, and all of the products are very lightweight. You get a light hold with them. So this is my hair. I agree, I like these products. Let me know if you guys would try them in the comment sections down below. If you guys support CurlBox and all of that jazz. Are you guys liking the frequency with which I'm putting out videos? Let me know, okay, in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs it up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and do come back for more great content always, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.